The Mihogo 1. This e-bike is definitely making waves with its impressive range claims and innovative features. Let's dive deeper into its key selling points and see if it could be the perfect ride for your needs. Unrivaled range. Boasting a claimed range of up to 270 kilometers on a single charge, the Mihogo 1 stands out as one of the longest range e-bikes on the market. This means you can explore further, commute with confidence, and say goodbye to range anxiety. Dual batteries. This impressive range is achieved through the use of a unique dual battery system. The Panasonic battery sits in the downtube, while another is tucked behind the seat post, providing ample energy reserves. Efficient power. Dual arm torque sensors. These sensors optimize power delivery from both pedals, maximizing efficiency and contributing to the extended range. Intelligent conversion system. The Mihogo 1 system intelligently manages energy consumption, ensuring you get the most out of each charge. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Mihogo 1. Pros. Effortless e-bike to cargo e-bike conversion. IP67 waterproof design. IPS 2.4 intelligent dashboard. Foldable design. Cons. New product. Price. Availability. Weight. Overall impression. The Mihogo 1 presents a compelling option for e-bike enthusiasts seeking unparalleled range, efficient power delivery, and versatility. Its innovative features, impressive battery capacity, and potential for cargo conversion make it a standout choice for distance riders, commuters, and anyone who wants to explore further on two wheels. However, the newness of the product, potential price tag, availability timeline, and weight are aspects to weigh carefully before making a decision. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.